Ever pondered on the thought, what exactly makes the stock market tick? The answer lies in the concept of supply and demand. At its core, the share market operates as an auction house. It's a platform where buyers and sellers trade stocks, which are shares of ownership in a company. Each stock represents a tiny piece of the company, and people buy them in the hope that the company will do well and the price of the stock will rise. Now imagine this. You're at a bustling market. There are people shouting, waving, and trying to sell their goods. That's a bit like the share market. But instead of apples or oranges, people are buying and selling shares of companies. When a company decides to go public, it sells a specific number of shares to the public through a process known as an initial public offering, or IPO. This process brings money into the company, allowing it to grow, expand, and invest in new opportunities. Once these shares are available to the public, they can be bought and sold on the share market. The price of each share fluctuates throughout the trading day, determined by the number of people wanting to buy or sell it. For instance, if more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price will rise. Conversely, if more people want to sell a stock than buy it, the price will fall. This is the basic principle of supply and demand at work. Investors make money in the stock market in two main ways, through capital gains and dividends. Capital gains occur when you sell a stock for more than you paid for it. On the other hand, dividends are a portion of a company's profits that are paid out to shareholders. But remember, the share market is not a guaranteed way to make money. It's a place of risk and reward. Some days you might see your portfolio's value skyrocket. Other days you might watch it plummet. It's the nature of the beast. So, to summarize, the share market is a platform where shares of companies are bought and sold. It's driven by supply and demand, with share prices fluctuating based on the number of people wanting to buy or sell. Companies go public to raise money, and investors can make money through capital gains and dividends. But always bear in mind, the share market is a place of risk and reward. Now, the next time someone asks you about the share market, you'll have a clear and simple explanation to share. Understanding how the share market works is the first step towards making informed investment decisions. Knowledge, as they say, is power.